Hey everyone, I'm Alex, a professional engineer, certified professional career coach, and a certified professional resume writer. So today I'm here to guide you through writing the perfect engineering resume with the help of ChatGPT. So whether you are a civil, mechanical, electrical, or chemical engineer, this video is your blueprint for landing your dream job. So let's engineer your success step by step. The third thing to start with your resume is to select the right template. Now there are a huge number of resume builders and beautiful templates created by designers. Many of them look very nice, but there is one problem: they do not work. I'm a certified professional resume writer, and I can say with the confidence that no professional resume writer will ever use such a resume template. And then people use a scale to rate their skills in their resume. It looks very unprofessional. So to be short, don't use these templates with diagrams and different graphics. Which template is better to use, I will tell you a bit later in this video, so keep watching. So in a typical resume, there are several sections. So let's talk about each section and see how ChatGPT can help. The first section is called Header, and it's quite simple. You don't need to put here any useless information about your age, nationality, marital status, desired salary, and so on. Just write your name and surname, the exact position you are applying for, key credentials to highlight, something like this, your telephone number, your email, LinkedIn, and also you can add here your location, so if you submit your resume within your country. You can also add maybe the QR code in the right top corner of your resume, the QR code to your LinkedIn page or any other website or your portfolio. To fill in a header, we don't need a ChatGPT, right? But the next section is usually a summary. Most professionals write a summary at the end, then all resume sections are completed. Why? Because the summary of your resume, it's easier to write it than a resume is ready, so you can pick the key points. ChatGPT can be very helpful here. You can ask him something like this. So I already prepared this text for the drilling engineer and put it in a ChatGPT. Write resume summary, maximum 500 characters based on the following information. And then you provide the brief information about yourself, your experience, and so on. Something like drilling engineer with 12 years of oil and gas industry, offshore experience, drilled vertical and deviated wells, SJ horizontal, H2S experience, shallow and deep, measure depth up to 6,000 meters, saved $120,000 and reduced the well construction time by 15% by introducing new types of PDC drill bits. Safety is my priority. And you send it to ChatGPT, right? And it prepares for you stunning summary. So definitely it may not be perfect from the first side, and you need to spend some time to optimize it and to change it. You understand? So the ChatGPT is AI. Be careful with this. Don't just copy and paste it. Look at this carefully and decide whether it's good or not. So you can play with different requests and get the desired result based on your profession, industry, and experience. The next section, and what is the most important section of your resume, is skills and competencies. And there is one problem. If you ask Google or ChatGPT to list the top 10 skills, for example, for a drilling engineer, mostly you will see soft skills like communication skills, negotiation skills, project management skills, time management, and so on. Unfortunately, this is bullshit. There is one main difference between an engineer's resume and a resume of a sales manager, bank employee, or many other professions. Experienced and competent engineers are distinguished by hard skills, not soft skills. I also used to say myself that communication skill is one of the most valuable skills in today's world, right? That is why it becomes, something like the basic skill for any good specialist in today's world. So if you are an engineer, I would recommend you to visit the website EngineerNow, the link down below this video. The EngineerNow website or platform, which is the resume building platform specifically for engineers with over 150 different occupations. Let's say you are a drilling engineer. You need to quickly register here. You can select here your profession. There are more than 150 different professions. You can also pick a template for your engineering resume. If you didn't find your profession here from the drop-down menu, you can select from the blank resume or different types of the resume, like the competence-based, the student chronological, and achievement-based. Let's say you are a drilling engineer. I found here a drilling engineer. Okay, I click here to select it, call it somehow, whatever I want. So it looks like this. On the left side here, there are 5 different templates. So if you are a drilling engineer, here you get the resume template with many features, the list of so important technical skills. Then I click here, you see here on the right side, there are so many different technical skills manually selected by professional engineers for every position or every profession. This is exactly what will help you to stand out from the crowd. All you need is to select around 12 to 15 key skills to your resume. I do not recommend to put here more than 15 different skills. All you need to do is just to click the button and select the skills you need, or just to change and type whatever you want here for any skills you have but you didn't find it here. You can select from the skills already recommended for you for your profession, or you can also click the button more and AI or ChatGPT actually it will generate for you some extra new skills. And also coming back to the winning template, here are just 5 templates, but believe me, you don't need more. Select any, they are all perfect and they are all fully optimized for the ATS. By the way, all the remaining sections with integrated AI are also available here, as well as nice QR code, so you can use this platform if you want to save time and beat all your competitors. Okay, let's come back to the ChatGPT and other sections of your resume. Down below your skills and competence section, there could be the key achievement section where you can list all your achievements. There is a certain rule of writing a stunning achievement. Start with a verb in past tense, as it usually something that is completed. Describe just in a few words a main subject, but don't be too long, and express the result of this achievement in numbers. Make your achievement measurable. ChatGPT can do it actually very well. Let's write here something like write 10 measurable achievements in one sentence, starting with an action verb in past tense for drilling engineer. So you can put here your profession. Following sentence structure, action verb plus object plus context plus result produced. And ChatGPT will generate for you 10 measurable, very nice looking achievements. Believe me, it will make much better than you can do this. All you need is just to look through these achievements and to make any changes you need based on your experience, knowledge, etc. Or you can also use the EngineerNow platform, where you need just to click one button more and AI will generate achievements for you based on the right algorithm for your profession. All you need is just to add it to your resume and make any changes you need. So the next section is your work experience. So we can ask also ChatGPT with such an easy request. Write 10 job description responsibilities for drilling engineer. All jobs are different, so you can send a general request to chat like this and then make any changes you need based on your responsibilities. On EngineerNow platform, you already have the predetermined job descriptions for many different professions. All you need is just to click the more button and the AI will generate some extra recommended job responsibilities for your profession. All you need is just to click the desired responsibility and add it to your resume. So guys, there are many other sections available, so I will not explain everyone as they are all similar. ChatGPT will not be very useful for you in sections like your education, patents and publications, certifications, trainings and courses, professional affiliations, etc. All you need is just to fill in the required fields with your data. So there are many other tricks on how to write a good engineering resume and how to avoid common mistakes. I explained it in more detail in another video. The link is down below this video. So guys, good luck with your next job. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.